You spend hours watching tutorials. You highlight textbooks. You take notes. You've done everything right? Then why, when it's time to actually use what you've learned, your mind goes blank? Why does it feel like you're always learning, but never getting it? You're not alone. Many of us are stuck in a loop of consumption. We watch, read, collect, organize. It feels productive until it's time to do something with it. Then we realize we don't truly understand it. Or worse, we forget what we just studied last week. The more we try to learn, the less confident we feel. And we start to wonder, is my memory broken? Am I just not smart enough? What if the problem isn't you? What if the problem is how you learn? Because real learning doesn't happen when you consume information. It happens when you compress it and recreate it in your own words. You don't learn by watching. You learn by building your own version of what you just saw. Let's say you watch a 10-minute video on how the brain works. It's well explained. It makes sense. You nod along. But 5 minutes later, someone asks you, so how does memory actually work? And suddenly, you can't explain it. That's the trap of passive learning. Now imagine this. Right after watching the video, you close it. You open a blank note. And you try to explain the concept to yourself, as if you're teaching a friend. No copy-paste. No quoting. Just your own messy words. You struggle. You pause. You realize you missed something. So you go back, review that one part, and rewrite it again. That's compression. That's where real learning happens. Because your brain isn't built to remember streams of input. It's built to remember what it actively organizes. This is the heart of active recall, Feynman technique, and generative learning. You turn knowledge into a structure, one that your brain helps create. And the best part? The more you do it, the easier it gets. Not because you're getting smarter, but because you're finally learning the way your brain is designed to learn. Here's how to start. Learn something new? Immediately close the tab and try writing a summary in your own words. Reading a book? Don't highlight. Instead, pause after each chapter and sketch the main idea like you'd teach it to a friend. Preparing for an exam or presentation. Forget rereading. Just open a blank doc and start writing what you remember. You'll quickly see what you don't. This isn't just for school. It's for skills, ideas, even habits. When you recreate what you learn, you own it. So if you've been studying hard, but still feel like nothing sticks, stop blaming your memory. Start changing your method. You don't need to learn more. You need to rebuild what you've already learned, bit by bit, in your own language, in your own way. That's what turns information into insight. That's what makes knowledge yours. So next time you finish a video like this, don't just move on. Close your eyes and try to say it back with your own words. That's where the real learning begins.